Hello partners, associates, friends, and community members. The Community Housing Council of Fresno would like to invite you to come support our 13th annual Champions of Homeownership Awards Banquet, a local community event and a fun-filled evening for everyone to enjoy.
This event helps CHC raise money for first-time home buyers and grants to assist them with the costs associated with buying a home. First-time homebuyer education, budgeting classes, and things to prevent foreclosure.
What a great way to encourage, promote, and help homeowners sustain homeownership. JP Shamshoin, President of the Association of Realtors, will be our keynote speaker.
We'll also have an awards presentation for esteemed members of our community who have made contributions to the housing industry. We'll have delicious food, fun, and dancing. Purchase your tickets today, be one of our event sponsors by clicking on the link above.
Or call 559-221-6919. We
Hope to see you there.